I ordered the DJI Osmo Action 3, and I ordered the bundle off of Amazon, and I will put the link below. It came in one box, and these are all the items that came in it. Like Hyundai technology for a micro SD card, which is 64 gig, which I'll probably order a larger SD card down the road. Then I have a 1-year extended warranty card, which on the back, it gives you the information to register the product. You get a Vivitar selfie stick. Looks like it's got a built-in shutter release. Looks like the box is a little tweaked. But this is what it looks like. Comes with, looks like a quick look at your selfie wand, little booklet to get started. And it is pretty small, at least folding up. You can see my hand on the size of it. And this must plug in directly to the camera. It's supposed to extend, so it pulls out like that. And so I would say it is about 34 inches long, not including this little section here. Folds up pretty easily. This must be the button that you press after you get it hooked up to get the shutter or to start and stop. It's got a little camera icon on there. This is the camera case for the camera itself. It says hard shell action camera case, 6 by 4.5 by 2.5. Kind of like the usual, camera case, limited warranty on it. Pretty soft and fuzzy in there. And in here must be the other gear. This is the chest strap. This is what it looks like. Looks like these come apart just like a dog leash or dog collar clip. That comes with it. In here is, looks like bike handler seat post kit, which, you know, I guess if I'm on a bicycle or a motorcycle, it would probably work. I won't be using it for any of that, but if somebody would need it for that, these are the pieces that come with it. I certainly, you know, don't know how that goes on unless it's similar to this, and then it clamps onto your bicycle with this little section here. This is the head strap. So I guess if you want to look like a true, I don't know, geek maybe? I don't know. But this is the head strap, and looks like it's got a pretty good pretty good way to secure it. Let's secure the camera, which must go here. And then the last item that comes with it is, it looks like another extension. This one obviously a little different, doesn't have the same mount, comes with this little guy. And I would say it's not quite as long. Well, it does extend even further, so it goes at least past 36 inches. Whoops. Well, I don't know what that came off of. I guess we'll have to see. Maybe it came off of here. I don't know. I'll have to take another look. So that's that. And I thought maybe I would take a quick look and see. It looks like this has a pretty good adjustment, but out of the box, I mean, I think this probably goes over the top of your head, maybe, and this goes around onto your forehead. And just out of the box, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5 inches, about almost 9, about 8 3/4 inches, and it looks like the adjustment strap might go the entire length, which might be an additional 2, 3, 4, 5 inches that you could adjust that. And I would say the head piece from plastic to plastic without stretching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So probably about 9 inches. About 8 inches, I would say, about 8 inches. And then you have another piece that's maybe that you can adjust it, I don't know, maybe 2 inches. So if your head's really big, I don't know, but it stretches really well. I mean, that's a pretty good stretch. Same on the top, pretty good stretch. Doesn't feel light either. It feels like it's pretty well made. So right out of the box, unstretched, it's about 14.5 inches, a little over. And this piece doesn't look like it adjusts much, maybe an inch or so, 1.5 inches. This side, about the same. Not much of an adjustment there. So, I mean, you got some good stretch. So, I mean, if I'm pulling on it pretty good, you've got maybe, so 18, 19 inches of comfort times 2. And the back piece that goes over the shoulders, about 16.5. And this doesn't adjust larger either. Both of these pieces look like they adjust smaller, just not really much larger. This strap looks like it's got a good piece, maybe 6 inches, where you could adjust this another 6 inches. That's some pretty hard, I mean, that's some tough plastic. I don't think that's going to break very easily. And that's what you use these little pieces apparently for. This sits on here, and here is the camera. So I'm excited about this. I know nothing about these kinds of gadgets, and it's all a learning curve for me, and I'm not exactly, 20, where maybe it's a little bit easier for some of those folks, but it doesn't mean that I don't need it or want it. Okay, so here is the Action 3. There's the lens cover, which I'm going to keep it covered for now. And it looks like it has a little easy off tab, which with my hands, it's not quite so easy. But this is the camera. And again, you can see the size. I mean, I don't have the smallest of hands, but pretty cool. There's where the battery goes in. So this opens easy off like that. And this is the battery. You get 3 batteries with this bundle. And then looks like the booklets. And you get a USB-C to USB-C cable. And let's see what's in here. So, well, that's supposed to be easy to open. That's what the little tabs are for, but it's not always quite so easy. So here's another one of those adapters. A second one. And they are magnetic. They look exactly the same. So I think this is where they are supposed to go. And they, yep, they hook right there. Of course, I'm getting my fingerprints all over the... Oh, that is not easy to get off. Huh. Well, you may have to have stronger fingers than me to get that off, but that's a powerful magnet. And what else do you get in here? Pieces to do not apply to curved surfaces. Ensure the surface is clean. Attach and press down firmly. Wait 30 minutes before use. The application temperature of the base is 10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, 14 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So that must hook maybe to your car if you want to put it in your car. This little booger goes here. Then this must go through here. And then it hooks to your car. This one and this is where the camera insert must go in this way. And looks like either an extra ring that fits on here. And that's what you get in the bundle.